How to check primary location on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your Facebook application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon. Here, scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of access your information. So just scroll down and tap on see more in account center. So tap on your information and permissions, and here see the option of access your information. As you do that, scroll down again and tap on logged information. Here you can see the option of primary location. So just tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see your primary location on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.